Hello! Pull! Oh! Woo! Yeah! Woohoo!
Welcome to math lesson for today. Today, we learn about direct variation. Have you noticed that when you buy a snacks, the total cost goes up? Or when you stay longer on a ride, that the distance you travel gets longer too. Those are real life examples of something we call direct variation. Let's explore what it is and how you can spot it.
Direct variation is a relationship between two quantities where they move together in the same direction. When one goes up, the other goes up. When one goes down, the other goes down.
Y varies directly as x means y equal kx. Where k is called the constant of variation of constant of proportionality.
Nakakatakot po. Yung heart ko, mawawala na. Tapos, yung bawat ng hangin, na parang hinahangin yung utak namin tatlo, apat.
Here are some everyday situations where direct variation happens. Shopping, the more fruits you buy, the higher the total price if each fruit costs the same.
Working hours. The longer you work at an hourly job, the more pay you receive.
Travel, the longer a car drives at a steady speed, the farther it travels. Notice something in all this case interesting on one quality case of other interests in a steady way. Now that we understand what direct variation means, let's talk about how make or find the formula of direct variation equation.
When we say formula, we mean the mathematical sentence that shows the relationship between two quantities that vary directly.
In direct variation, we use this formula: y equal kx. Variable, it depends on x. X is one that change and k is change constant of variation, or the number that shows how they are related.
To make the formula, we first look at what quantities are involved. For example, the cost C varies directly as the number of items n.
Since the problem say varies directly, we write C equal Kn. Other one, the distance D varies directly as time T.
Or if it says, the area A of a square varies directly as the square of its side S.
See, it's easy. All you have to do is follow the pattern, use the word varies directly as to form the equation. Then replace the variable based on the situation. Today, we learned about all direct variation. That is all for today's lesson. Thank you for watching and learning with us.
We also learned that in direct variation, when one quantity increases, the other increases too, always in a constant ways.
If you know how to make the formula, it's much easier to solve problems and understand how quantities relate to each other.